Minco Tool and Mold's primary business is building plastic injection molds. We've been in business for over 50 years. Our competition isn't the company down the street. Our competition is the world marketplace. We were an early entrant into CAD/CAM, where we found a niche in the marketplace, whether it be just general machining or it be in the mold making part of our business. It is complex shapes.
We always strive ourselves in the quality of the tool that we take to press. We use NX to maintain that quality. A customer comes in with a concept sketch that he wants to manufacture, he wants us to mold. We're able to take that napkin sketch, turn it into real product using NX. NX gives us the tools to engineer our designs up front, whether it be a product design or a tool design. We want to make sure that we go through all aspects of the part and the tool early on in the process. By doing that, we know that when we start cutting chips that we're actually cutting what we want. We're not duplicating efforts. So it's important for us to maintain that accuracy through the entire process, and that's what NX gives us.
We get a supply file from a customer and we'll take it in here and we'll redraft it and make it toolable. Basically, I will wrap steel around that part and make the mold base that will produce the plastic part.
NX is a strong modeler where we can bring in data from multiple sources. The ability to manipulate complex geometry is easier to do inside of NX because its ability to deal with explicit models, hybrid models, or fully featured models. We're not limited by the software in order to develop our product.
Synchronous technology helps in the way you can manipulate geometry easily. You can go in there and remove faces, delete faces, simplify bodies quickly. You don't have to worry about parameters. You just go in there and delete or change size. That is a Mold Wizard component. We dropped that in. It automatically knew to hook into the ejector plates down here. All we did was put the part area on it by wavelinking in the part geometry into the lifter file and then trimming it off. And if we ever update that part, that lifter will update automatically.
We allow that master model then to propagate through the tool design into programming, where tool design will go in, update their model. Programming then will go in and update their data, their tool paths over top of the existing tool data. That's going to ensure that we keep accuracy through the entire assembly, knowing that the finished product we get out of the mold will in fact be what the customer initially sends.
We program 100% of the model using the CAM software from NX, and then we do all our trode modeling, everything through NX, till the finished product. The master model is very important because if everybody's on the same part at the same time using the same model, everybody's looking at the same thing all the time. Everybody knows how to dimension, verify stuff. You don't have to teach 3 or 4 different softwares. So if it's everybody synchronized on the same software, everybody can help each other. You gotta save time, you gotta save money, so we implement the high-speed machining whenever possible, small cuts, light cuts at fast feed rates. And yes, NX has several options that you can adjust your paths accordingly. There's options in NX that'll actually turn the corners, which actually creates a much nicer and smoother path. It doesn't have the jerkiness of the machine.
It's faster, it's better quality. Now you just set it up and away you go. Sometimes you may have 12, 14 inches, and now we can cut that in half, which means better rigidity, better part finish, better tool life. Sometimes I'll run 20, 24 hours for a finish cover that requires no polish. And you have to have a very good software to do that. We start in product with NX, we design in NX, we program in NX. So what you see is what you got. That's just that accurate, it's that good. And without it, we wouldn't be in business. That's pure and simple. If you're not cutting fast, you're not making money. If you really want to cut a true part form and cut it accurate, you better have it all today, because the pricing isn't there anymore.